Disrupt. Yes, disrupt is the word, guys. Sponge meme coin. We finally saw some positive price action for this coin. And guess what? It does not end here. We've got a few days now left for Sponge with the V1 coin getting discontinued. So there's a bit of important news to share with you guys. Welcome back, guys. I hope you are doing well. We're looking at a massive meme coin today known as Sponge, sitting at $27.4 million market cap right now with two very bullish looking green candles here on the daily time frame. We can see up from this low about 42%, which is a significant looking pump, paving its way to a potential recovery. So we are looking at Sponge, and I want to share with you some very important news with the Sponge meme coin, especially if you're getting involved in it. Now, Sponge to me is exciting. I think we can potentially break $100 million market cap here. Sponge is looking pretty bullish on the day, and of course on the 7-day chart we're finally seeing some green once again. So they've announced a discontinuation of the V1 token. You see plenty of volume is coming through, and checking out these markets, we're getting most of the volume at the moment on Uniswap, OrangeX, BitGet, Gate.io and MEXC. Now, one thing Sponge have obviously done is they're promising bigger and better exchanges, which is of course a very bullish move here in the world of marketing for crypto. New exchanges means more volume, more liquidity, bigger eyes on the project. We saw things like this happen with coins like Wall Street Memes. We saw it happen with Tamadoge as well as TGC. These are all coins and ICOs that we've looked at recently and have actually delivered some fantastic gains to the market. So Sponge is the next contender in the crypto space. So what I wanted to share with you that I perceive to be quite important for you meme coiners. I know some of you love the meme coin world. Big rewards can potentially be waiting. It says only 2 days left until we discontinue Sponge V1. If you do not move and stake with Sponge V1 tokens before 5th of February, you will not receive Sponge V2. So this is a very important message, okay? Stake your Sponge V1 tokens before the 5th of February. Act fast to ensure a smooth transaction. So I have got a link down below where you can do all this if you want to start staking V2 Sponge. And of course, if you just want to, stake those V1 tokens, you can absolutely do so. And it also says the V1 snapshot will be taken on the 5th of February, which is just a few days away at 11 PM UTC. Sponge V1 will then immediately be discontinued. Follow this thread to migrate your decentralized and centralized tokens to V2 before it is too late. So important information here, folks. Maybe you haven't got any Sponge yet, that's fine. Maybe you just want to learn about this. So centralized holders, it says, should withdraw their Sponge tokens to stake before the snapshot deadline, enabling them to receive additional tokens through staking rewards. Centralized holders who do not stake who also be entitled for the swap, but the ratio is 1-to-1. Centralized deposits, trading, and withdrawals have been requested to be suspended on the 4th of February at 11 PM UTC, 24 hours before the snapshot. Upon V2 token claim, centralized exchange tokens will be swapped for V2, and deposits, trading, and withdrawals will resume at previous V1 price. So if that doesn't make sense, screenshot it, read it again, might make things a little bit easier. And of course, for decentralized holders, it says here, decentralized holders should stake before the snapshot deadline, enabling them to receive additional tokens through staking rewards. Staked holders will be able to claim V2 Sponge once the Sponge V2 pre-sale ends and claim goes live through the Sponge website. So there's another thing to also check out, guys. Let's take another screenshot of this. And then for 3 out of 4, which I believe is this one, is basically just follow them on Discord so you can stay up to date. So yeah, bit of news on the Sponge side of things, of course, regarding this. Could we see a huge pump here for the Sponge coin? I think it's very possible. That's quite funny. You just can't look at this GIF without actually hearing at least some sort of SpongeBob noise. Anyway, guys, hopefully you can now see that Sponge is very real. It's moving quickly. Look at that, $4.977 million staked and bridged. If you want to also grab some Sponge V2, the link is right down below for you. Anticipate one of the biggest crypto launches that we're going to see out there in the crypto space. More exchanges. We're going to see them target the $100 million market cap, 13k holders, 10 plus centralized exchanges, and a play to earn racing game is also going to be released soon for Sponge V2, which is very very exciting. Remember guys, this is not financial advice. Please always do your own research and due diligence. If you want to look at Sponge, the correct website is down below. I've linked it there for you guys. And let's see if we can get some more positive continuation for Sponge. Looks like we are in a bit of an uptrend still. Things are looking pretty good. Small correction here from the 0.0007. Nothing to worry about. And I think as we get closer to that launch, we're going to see more hype and euphoria. Thanks for checking out the channel. Subscribe if you're new here. Stay crypto safe. And I wish you guys a lovely, lovely weekend.